In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to upload your project to GitHub and get a live link. This is useful if you want to publish a website and share it with others through a simple URL. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel of your GitHub dashboard and click New to create a new repository. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your repository, then click Create Repository. Once your repository has been created, look for the option to upload an existing file and click on it. Next, click Choose Your Files and browse through your computer to find the project files you want to upload. Select your files and click Open. Once the files have finished uploading, scroll down and click Commit Changes to save them to your repository. Now it's time to publish your project as a live website. From the repository page, click Settings in the top toolbar. In the left sidebar, select Pages. This section allows you to configure GitHub Pages for your repository. Under the Source section, open the drop-down menu and select GitHub Actions. Next, look for the Static HTML option and click Configure. GitHub will open a workflow configuration file for deploying your website. In the upper right corner, click Commit Changes. When the confirmation dialog appears, click Commit Changes again. GitHub will now build and deploy your website. This process may take a few moments. Once the deployment is complete, go back to Settings and select Pages again. You should now see a message indicating that your site is live along with the website URL. Click Visit Site to open your published project. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your project to GitHub, published it with GitHub Pages, and obtained a live link that you can share with anyone. Thanks for watching.